What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a long-awaited 6-month update. Sorry for the street noise if you can hear that. I have my window open. But anyway, if y'all have been following my lock journey for some time, then you know that my lock-iversary monthly date is the 22nd, and it's been like days since the 22nd, and y'all have not seen this video yet because it has taken my mom and I approximately 2 weeks to retighten my hair. Just know that that is not a normal thing. It doesn't usually take that long, but I've been having to deal with finals in school. I'm on summer break now though, but I had finals and she had to go to work, and also I was a little bit lazy and didn't feel like sitting there and getting my hair done. So we just had a mixture of me actually being busy and just not wanting to do it. So that's why, guys. And I also actually put a poll on Instagram a couple of days ago if you wanted me to wait until my hair was freshly retightened before I showed y'all. Now I figured that it would probably be better for me to just wait and get my hair done all the way to show y'all, because I feel like it would be a better representation of what it is, and y'all can also see my grid and stuff. Long story short, the poll ended up coming like very close. I think it was like 50-50, so some of y'all didn't care and some of y'all were like, you need to get your hair retightened so we can see what your grid looking like. So we just waited to finish my hair. My hair was done at 1 o'clock this morning. That's when we finished. So that's it about that. Now let's go ahead and get started with the update part. As you can see, my hair, it looks really good. I have my basic middle part going because that's the way that we like to retighten my hair. So it looks so nice. I don't really have much to update y'all on since last month, but I do have like a special lock that I want to show y'all because it is hanging on by a thread. And whenever you see it, you're gonna be like, what? How is that even possible? Here it is. Look. Let me get it. Okay. What am I doing? Do you see this? Do you see it? I know you see it. There is like a really big bud at the bottom of this lock. Where is it? Right here. Look at that. The thing, I noticed this last month, but I didn't say anything. I wanted to cut it. Actually, I don't know if I said anything, but I wanted to cut it because I felt like there's no way that this is even gonna last. Like, look at it. But I was washing my hair, I was styling it with like twists and braids, and it was still hanging on. So I said, okay, I'm not gonna do anything. But when we retightened it, I expected it to, like, you know, break off, and it didn't. I don't know what to do. And the thing about it is that this, like, the thickness of it is like growing. So I don't know if that makes sense, y'all. I'm sorry, but this used to be like just the bottom half. It was a knot at the bottom, but now it's like spreading and it's going upward. I don't even know how that's possible, but it was not this big. That was very interesting to me. You think that it'll like scrunch up and like come all the way up to the top? Do I sound crazy? I don't know, probably. But it really surprised me that this lasted a retightening, because I definitely thought that it was gonna be over. But look at it. It's doing this thing, right? So I'm just gonna leave it. I've been trying to be really careful. I've always known that my hair strands were strong, but I didn't know that they were this strong, because y'all, I can seriously sit here and count 1, 2, 3 hair strands. This is like 3 strands of hair, and all of this is like hanging from the bottom of it. I do have like little knots around the ends of my hair. This one was braided, you guys. I look so weird like peeking through my hand, but I was trying to see. Most of the action is going on with my hair, like around my edges and in the back. That's something that I wasn't expecting, especially considering that the hair around my perimeter is looser than my hair like in my crown. I think that that's all I have to update y'all on, so now I'm just gonna show y'all up close what my hair looks like. wanted to answer a couple of frequently asked questions. One of them being, how many locks do I have? I have either 644 or 645 locks. So yes, I have over 600 locks in my head. The next question is, how often do I retighten my hair? Now this time is different, but typically I would retighten my hair every 6 to 7 weeks. Another question is, how did I start my locks? I started my locks with 2-strand twists, and I use the interlocking method to maintain them. If you have any other questions for me or any advice, I'm open to all advice. Leave them in the description. Leave them in the comments so that I can, answer them, or we can just talk, like y'all giving me feedback. I appreciate that so much. You know what? I don't know if it's a result of me waiting for so long, but my hair was pretty sore after my mom was retightening them. And it wasn't like they were too tight, because they're not. Whenever we were done, I was like shaking my head and moving my head around, just to make sure that I could do that. Because if you can't do that, then they're probably too tight. But I could do that, so I knew they weren't too tight. I'm thinking maybe it's because like my head is just sore because it went 9 weeks like without being touched, and I think that I'm just not used to that anymore, so that kind of contributed to the soreness. But it wasn't so bad. Like, I didn't have to take any Advil or anything. Make sure that you stay on top of your retightening schedule. No matter how lazy you get, make sure that you do it. That's all that I have today. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. If you have any video suggestions, advice, or you just want to talk, comment it below. If you want to follow me on Instagram or add me on Snapchat or both, then you can just type in @tykara.ann, TYKARA.ANN. Thank y'all for watching this video. I think I said that already. I'll talk to y'all in my next one, and I'm out.